Hello, hello! Andito na naman isang OFW na magbabalita sa inyo sa larangan ng showbiz. At ang pag-uusapan natin, guys, ang sentro ng ating pag-uusapan ay walang iba kundi si Casey Concepcion, the eldest mega daughter. By the way, guys, balikan lang natin ang mga panahon na aktibo pa ang ating mega daughter si Casey Concepcion at aktibo pa rin ang ating megastar Sharon Cuneta. Noong kasagsagan na sunod-sunod ang mga concert ng ating megastar sa ibang bansa at nagtutor ito, nag-guest si Casey Concepcion sa kanyang concert. At isa lang ang sinasabi ni Casey Concepcion sa kanyang ina na very proud ang isang Casey Concepcion na si Sharon Cuneta ang nagiging nanay niya. At ang sinabi pa ni Casey Concepcion na sinasabi niya na we should respect the megastar and the icon. Pakinggan natin, guys, kung ano talaga exactly ang sinabi ni Casey Concepcion doon sa kanyang.
Ay, naku po. Ladies and gentlemen, Casey! You know what I just found out? Because I heard that last December, both nights already that we're doing the show here, both nights have been sold out. Ooh. But is it true? Traffic is so bad outside, really? Yes! Oh, ayaw niyo yun? Di niyo namimiss ang EDSA. Diba? Some people took, 3-4 hours getting here? 3 hours? I heard.
Yeah, well, I mean, thank you again for coming out and seeing my daughter. Mom, thank you for being my mother, but you know what? So many people come and go in this business, and I know the competition is so tough, lalo sa generation ko ngayon, but our country should really learn how to respect icons.
That's right!
Hindi talaga, promise, huwag mo ko pipigilan, Ma. Mom, you are the megastar.
Yes!
Nothing can change that.
Baby, thank you. Saan na lang pupunta to?
Hindi, wala akong kailangan sa'yo, Ma. Hindi, naiyak tuloy ako. Yung mami ko po talagang binibigay niya yung... baka magulgulo. Binibigay po niya yung puso, yung buhay po niya sa trabaho po niya. Hindi lang po to trabaho for her. So, let's just all remember that she is the megastar. Let's try that. Mom, I would encourage you because so many people love, respect, and will forever remember you and will pass your work on to their children. Sa lahat na nakakamiss sa Pilipinas, grabe yung mommy ko. She has been such a big part of our culture, of our country, and I'm so proud to be her daughter.
Oh my God!
So ganon ka-proud si Casey Concepcion sa kanyang inang si Sharon Cuneta. Ganon niya ipinagsisigawan, ganon niya ipinagmamalaki ang kanyang inang si megastar Sharon Cuneta.